Have you ever wondered about the man behind the prestigious Nobel Prizes, Alfred Nobel? What led him to create these awards that honor achievements in various fields? This intriguing figure, wrapped in a shroud of enigma, lived a life filled with ironies. Known for his invention of dynamite, Nobel's legacy, however, lies in the recognition of peace and advancements in science, literature, and economics. Join us as we delve into the life and achievements of Alfred Nobel, the dynamite inventor turned philanthropist. Alfred Nobel was born on October 21, 1833, in Stockholm, Sweden. But what shaped this man into an inventor and philanthropist? Let's delve into his early years to find out. Alfred was the third child in a family of 8. His father, Emmanuel Nobel, was an engineer and inventor who instilled a love for innovation and discovery in his son. Alfred's mother, Henriette Alcel Nobel, ran a grocery store to support the family during times of financial strain. Despite facing early hardships, Alfred's thirst for knowledge was insatiable. He received private tutoring and excelled in his studies, particularly in languages and chemistry. His father's influence was instrumental in sparking his interest in explosives and engineering. Moreover, Alfred's passion for literature, seeded by his mother's love for books, never waned. This combination of scientific curiosity and literary appreciation would later shape his unique contributions to the world. Alfred Nobel's formative years laid the groundwork for his future inventions and his enduring legacy. Nobel's life took a turn when he invented a substance that would revolutionize the construction industry: dynamite. Alfred Nobel was not just an inventor, he was a visionary. He saw a problem in the world of construction and mining: the instability and unpredictability of nitroglycerin, a powerful but dangerous explosive. It was a problem that had caused many accidents, including one that claimed the life of his own brother. Nobel set out to create a solution, and that solution was dynamite. Dynamite was Nobel's masterpiece, a stable and manageable form of nitroglycerin that could be safely handled and transported. He patented his invention in 1867, and it marked a turning point in his life and career. It was like he had unlocked a previously untapped door to progress. The patenting process was a journey in itself, with each step meticulously planned and executed. It was not just about securing his ownership of the invention, but also about ensuring its safe and ethical use. But the invention of dynamite was not without its controversies. It was, after all, an explosive, and it quickly found its way into the hands of those who would use it for destructive purposes. It brought about a series of tragedies that cast a long and dark shadow over Nobel's achievement. It was a harsh reminder that every invention, no matter how revolutionary, can be a double-edged sword. However, despite its destructive potential, dynamite had a profound impact on the world. It revolutionized the construction and mining industries, making previously impossible tasks possible. It made the construction of tunnels, canals, and railways faster and more efficient. It was a game changer, a tool that transformed the landscapes of industries and economies. And it made Alfred Nobel a wealthy man. His invention brought him immense wealth, but it also brought him a sense of responsibility. It led him on a path towards philanthropy, a path that would shape his legacy in a way that few could have predicted. Despite its destructive potential, dynamite transformed industries and made Nobel a wealthy man. However, Nobel's legacy isn't just dynamite. He's also remembered for his vast philanthropic efforts. Stepping away from the lab, Alfred Nobel turned a new leaf, one that would define his legacy in a way even he might not have envisioned. The inventor transformed into a philanthropist, and his journey was as explosive as his inventions. Nobel was a man of the world, fluent in 6 languages and having lived in various countries. He was deeply affected by the socio-political events of his time. Perhaps it was this global perspective that prompted him to think about his legacy and how he could make a lasting impact. In his final testament, Nobel left a considerable portion of his wealth, to establish the Nobel Prizes. He directed that his fortune be used to create a series of prizes for those who confer the greatest benefit to mankind in fields such as physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, and peace. The establishment of the Nobel Prizes was a masterstroke of philanthropy. It not only recognized and rewarded significant contributions to humanity, but also inspired countless others to strive for such excellence. Nobel's will reflects his belief in the power of knowledge, creativity, and peace to transform the world. His philanthropy was not an afterthought, but a deliberate choice to invest in the unlimited potential of human ingenuity and goodwill. Nobel's will left a lasting impact on the world, honoring those who contribute to humanity's betterment. Alfred Nobel passed away in 1896, but his legacy lives on through the Nobel Prizes. The Nobel Prizes, a series of international recognitions awarded annually in several categories, are considered some of the most prestigious awards available in their respective fields. They were established by none other than Alfred Nobel in his will. Today, these awards honor men and women from all corners of the globe for outstanding achievements in physics, chemistry, medicine, literature, and for work in peace. The Nobel Prizes have indeed come a long way. At first, they were awarded only to individuals. But over the years, the Nobel Committee recognized that groundbreaking work is often the result of collective effort. As a result, organizations began receiving the Nobel Peace Prize. The laureates, those who have been awarded the Nobel Prizes, are a testament to Alfred Nobel's vision. They are individuals and organizations who have pushed the boundaries of knowledge and strived for peace, just as Alfred Nobel himself did. Consider Martin Luther King Jr., who in 1964 was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize for his nonviolent struggle for civil rights for the African American population in the United States, or Malala Yousafzai, the Pakistani activist for female education who, at the age of 17, became the youngest ever Nobel laureate. On the scientific front, Nobel laureates have included the likes of Marie Curie, who was awarded the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1903 and later the Nobel Prize in Chemistry in 1911. Her groundbreaking research on radioactivity paved the way for numerous advancements in science and medicine. It's remarkable to see how Alfred Nobel's legacy has evolved and grown over the years, touching various spheres of human life and progress. His life's work continues to inspire countless individuals and organizations to strive for excellence and make a significant positive impact on our world. Alfred Nobel's life and legacy remind us of the power of innovation and the importance of using wealth for the betterment of humanity.